Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with Ira, and on today's episode I'm going to show you how to make goat curry, also known as Khasiko Masu. Now goat curry is every Nepali's favorite dish, and this recipe is so good. It's so tender, juicy, full of flavor. You're absolutely going to love it. So let's go over the ingredients over here so we can get started. You're going to need, of course, the goat meat, which is our star of the show over here. You're also going to need some red onions finely chopped, some green chilies finely chopped. I have some cilantro over here. For the spices, you're going to need some turmeric powder, cumin and coriander powder mix, some MSG, this is optional. You're also going to need some garlic paste, ginger paste, and this is chicken bouillon, also known as chicken cube. Then you're going to need some 2 bay leaves, some cumin seed. This is meat masala, red chili powder and paprika powder, and you're also going to need some tomatoes and mustard oil, some salt to taste, and some hot water, which we're going to use towards the end. Now over here on a pressure cooker I have mustard oil that is preheating on about medium-high heat. To that we're going to add in our bay leaves and our cumin seed, and we're going to add our onions and the green chilies. Now we're going to fry the onions until they're lovely golden brown, and I'll show you what to do next. My onions have turned a little brown, so now we're going to add in our goat meat. And now we're going to cook the meat for about 5 minutes or so. We're not trying to cook it at this point. And after 5 minutes, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. You can see what it looks like. Now we're going to add in all our spices. So all of it. And also our garlic, ginger, and the bouillon, which I stuck at the moment. And now we're going to cook this for about 5 more minutes again, and then we'll proceed to the next step. Look at this color, you guys. It looks so good. And I wish you could smell the aroma of this thing in my kitchen at the moment. It smells absolutely amazing. So to this, we're going to add in tomatoes and a good pinch of salt. But remember that we added the chicken bouillon, which is salty to begin with. So make sure you add the right amount of salt. And now we're going to cook this until the tomatoes get a little soft, and then I'll show you what to do next. This looks really good. You can see how it's already turning into a gravy from all the tomatoes and onions and everything. So now we're going to add in our cilantro, and then add in hot water. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, put the lid on and give it about 6 to 7 whistles. You have to remember that depending on the quantity of meat you're using, the whistle number is going to vary. And then when it comes to the whistles that you want it, turn the heat off and let the pressure release on its own. And then I'll show you what to do next after that. This is ready, you guys. Look at this. Now this is good to eat at this point. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the heat to high, and I'm going to let it boil for about 5 minutes. What it's going to do is it's going to evaporate a little bit of water in there, and it's going to turn the gravy even thicker, and it's going to be even more delicious. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to plate and we're going to eat, and then life will be good. My goat curry is ready. Look at this thick gravy. This is what happens if you boil it for that extra 5 minutes. So I highly recommend it. It's really thick. So I'm gonna give it a try. A little piece over here. It is really delicious. I'm not joking that this is going to be the best goat curry recipe you'll ever try. It's really delicious. It's really tender, juicy, full of flavor. You're going to love this. Give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know how it turned out, and let me know what you want to watch next for the next video. Thank you for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't so already. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like what you saw today, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!